No, Temu.
Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this Oraimo smart accessory charger. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this Oraimo smart accessory charger. Is the Power Cube 2 Pro OCW E960. Okay, look at it here, OCW E960. This is how it looks like, and let's go ahead to unbox it. It's sealed here. Okay, so voila guys. This is the cable. I like how really long it is. Yeah. So let's go ahead to plug it and see. So it has a scan barcode here. So you can see if the light comes on. Okay, and then I'm just going to plug it to my phone, and it's charging, guys. Voila, guys, that's all. So this is a smart charger for all Euro type charger kit, compatible with all fast devices, Ultra 5A fast type C cable. You can authenticate with this. This is all the information you need. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, to share, subscribe to the notification button. I'll see amazing people in my next video. Bye, guys. So guys, I needed an emergency cable and that will charge my phone fast, so I got this Oraimo smart accessory. It's a type C plug which is 1 meter long. It's a 2-way charger speed. It comes with, it can sync in seconds. It is tangle free and it is durable. It has durable exterior. Okay, so I have 180 days warranty on this. It is the fast line OCD C53 type C durable cable, and you can see here color black Oraimo smart accessories. And then we have Bonner Boy here. Yeah, got how it is. And then we have information regarding this cable. Yeah, so let's go ahead to unbox it. As usual, it comes with the Oraimo seal. As you can see here, this seal is very important. Yeah, so we can open it from the top like this. Oraimo used to tightly seal up their products, guys. Yeah. Voila. So this is 1 meter long cable, okay, and it's for type C.